Hello everyone! Today let's look at one of 2020 most positive inheritance, the surge of socially responsible investments, SRI. In that market, $700 billion have been issued in green, social, sustainability-linked bonds and loans. And also in 2020, a new word was born, greenium, which is a green premium. It means that investors, despite taking the same financial risk, are ready to be paid less than with a conventional bond because they win in transparency and they know they've had a positive impact. In the SRI world, social bonds are the ones with the most new records. New issues rose from $16 billion in 2019 to $164 billion in 2020. The pandemic, the surge in unemployment, the Black Lives Matter movements calling for the end of discrimination explain that rise. In May, UNEDIC, the French unemployment insurance, opened the floor with a social bond of 4 billion euros. But it's during the fall that the train gained momentum when the European Union started to finance its SHORE program. In August, Alphabet, parent company of Google, issued 3 sustainable bonds for $5.75 billion, and included in the use of proceeds were the providing support to the Afro-American community via employment, promotion of existing employees, and investing in startups. So 5 months after having been issued, how are these bonds behaving? Well, exactly like Google conventional bonds. If we look at the 2050 maturing bond, it was issued at 99.16, and since then the risk premium narrowed by 30 basis points, good news, but the rise in bond yields was of 64 basis points, bad news, and this results in a drop of the price from 99.16 to 91. And this is a good reminder that those bonds, green, social, sustainable, are beyond anything financial assets that imply a financial risk. And if we look beyond financial figures, this tremendous appetite for SRI is rooted in the will to reconstruct a greener, socially fairer way. So the appetite will not slow, and the US could in 2021 catch up with Europe as the new US administration could use those instruments to finance their programs. So SRI has become mainstream, but the need of regulation increases. Regulation will be key to make sure that the ambitions of a greener, fairer, more inclusive economy are led in a clean way, so not to leave space to feed opportunistic ambitions and throw opprobrium on one of the most positive inheritances of 2020. Thank you.